Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fermented garlic. Welcome to our channel. It's Gma, and Papa's not here right now. Before I get into the recipe, I'd just like to go over a few things that fermented foods are good for. They're easier to digest. They have higher levels of nutrients. They're full of probiotics, and it's a safe way to preserve your foods, and it's really easy to do. So the first thing you're going to need is some garlic, some water, and some sea salt, and a container. I'm going to take this garlic out of here and I'm going to chop it up so that it's all kind of the same size. As you can see, there's small ones, big ones. I'm also going to take and cut these brown ends off. And once I get all that done, I'll be back. Okay, I've got all my garlic chopped up. I put these larger chunks, I cut them in half so that they'd all kind of be about the same size. So you're just going to put your garlic in your jar. And then you're going to make your brine. And your brine, the brine that I use, is 1 tablespoon of sea salt mixed with 2 cups of water. And do not use your sink water, your faucet water. It's got antibacterial chemicals in there to kill the bacteria. And we want the bacteria to be in this because that's what helps make it so nutritious. Okay, and then after you get that in there, you're just going to stir it until that salt dissolves. I'll bring you back when I get that done. Okay, the salt is dissolved. So all you need to do then is just pour it over your garlic. Leave some headspace. And then you're going to want a fermenting weight to keep your garlic under the brine. If you don't have a fermenting weight, you can use, like if you have any leftover brine, just put it in a Ziploc bag, zip it up, and place it on top. But these are the weights I use. I'll leave a link down below. You put the weight on, like that. Whoop. See how it goes down and it holds all the garlic under the brine. You want to make sure whatever vegetable you're fermenting, make sure it's under the brine to prevent mold. And then I have a pickle pipe here. This has a small hole at the top so the fermenting gases can escape. But if you don't have any fermenting type gadgets, what you can do with this is just put your coffee filter right over there with a rubber band around it. But I'm going to use my pickle pipe like that. And then the rim of my canning lids, put that on. And that's all I have to do. Now I have to wait. Well, except for wait. It's probably going to take a few weeks, but what I'm going to do is when I see fermentation going on and things like that, I'll bring you back and give you an update. Okay? And I'll also put a link below for the pickle pipes if anyone's interested in those. See you in a few days. Day 3 of the fermentation. We have bubbles. You can see those. I'll be back in a few days. Today is day 6 of the fermentation. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of bubbles up here. I'm going to take the lid off and show you. The brine is becoming cloudier. See those bubbles around the edges there? That means the fermentation is working. Everything's looking good. I'll bring you back in a few more days. Day 7 of the fermentation. A lot of bubbles. Today is day 16, and this will be the last video I do. And I wanted to just give you guys a quick update. Some of the garlic is turning bluish green. That's normal. That's caused when the enzymes and the amino acids react with the sulfur compounds in the garlic. I'm going to take one out here and show you. Yeah, there's a good one. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's turning. Yeah, the camera's not really showing it, but it's kind of got a green tint to it. It's perfectly normal. It's not mold. I'm going to let this ferment for a couple more days. But when it's done fermenting and I get the taste I want, I'm going to replace it with this plastic lid. I'll put a link below for these. And then after I get it to the taste I want, with the white lid on it, it'll go in the refrigerator. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy fermenting. Y'all take care. Have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.